The Honda HR-V is a compact SUV that perfectly balances style, luxury, and practicality, making it a popular choice for drivers looking for a versatile vehicle. Originating from Japan, Honda has established itself as a global leader in automotive engineering, and the HR-V is a testament to its commitment to quality and innovation. The HR-V stands out with its sleek and modern design. The exterior features bold lines, a sporty front grille, and sharp LED headlights that give it a dynamic and eye-catching look. The sculpted bodywork enhances aerodynamics, contributing to both fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. With stylish alloy wheels and a distinctive rear profile, the HR-V exudes a sense of sophistication and urban appeal, making it perfect for city drives and long journeys alike. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail that Honda has put into crafting the interior. The cabin offers a premium feel with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout designed for both driver and passenger comfort. The HR-V provides ample legroom and headspace, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. The seats are available in luxurious leather options, providing a refined touch that elevates the overall driving experience. Technology plays a significant role in the HR-V, offering a range of features designed to enhance convenience and entertainment. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with smartphone connectivity, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free calling. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure you stay connected on the go. Additionally, features like a premium sound system, wireless charging, and voice control add to the luxurious feel of the HR-V. When it comes to performance, the Honda HR-V doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a reliable and efficient engine that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether navigating through city streets or cruising on the highway, the HR-V offers excellent handling and stability. The advanced CVT transmission provides a seamless driving experience, while the available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and control in challenging road conditions. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the HR-V comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of driver assist technologies, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Practicality is another strong suit of the HR-V, with its unique Magic Seat system that allows the rear seats to be configured in multiple ways to accommodate different cargo needs. Whether you need extra space for luggage, sports equipment, or even tall items, the HR-V offers impressive versatility. In terms of pricing, the Honda HR-V provides excellent value for money. Depending on the trim level and features, the price of the HR-V starts at around $25,000 and can go up to $30,000 or more for higher-end variants with additional luxury features and technology. Overall, the Honda HR-V is a stylish and luxurious compact SUV that offers a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and performance at an attractive price point. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a vehicle that can handle weekend adventures, the HR-V proves to be a compelling choice.